feelings for the ladies, my lady audience. See, the feeling she gives me is like no other. It's not my eyes that stare at her, it's my heart that can't seem to get its eyes off her. And then the beats of her heart are even faster, trying to get out of my chest so it can be closer to her. See, my favorite thing is her eyes, her hair, her laugh, her sense of humor. See, that's the thing, I have no favorite thing. She's a book, and every page I read seems to be my favorite part of the story. Makes me want to keep reading. No, she's a movie, and every scene is the favorite part of the scene. Makes me want to keep watching. No, she's an album, and every song is the only sound my ear wants to hear. No, scratch that. She's more of the perfect time of the year. She's more of the perfect time of year. Because when God made her, he was giving Mother Nature a gift. And then we met, and it was the perfect season. That right there was more than the perfect reason to write a poem. See, the beginning was the way I got lost in her eyes like a kid at Chuck E. Cheese, never wanted to be found. That night I had a dream where I was a bloodhound on the street. She took me in and I became her best friend. See, the feeling she gives me is like having a cold smoothie on a 100-degree day. I feel it throughout my whole body. Making her happy is my best hobby. I just can't wait for the day she calls me her hubby. That sure would be lovely. Now, I've seen a lot of things in my life, but when I close my eyes, I see her as my wife. See, that's just the thing. There's no proper way to end this poem, because our love story is just the beginning.